Here is how to claim and withdraw trial cash from PalmPay. As you can see, I'm inside my PalmPay account. You can always log into your PalmPay account and claim your trial cash. Just simply go to trial cash, click on it, and then as you can see here, my trial cash is 1,111 naira 88 kobo. So I want to claim my trial cash for today. So I'll click on this. I see I did transfer, so they are giving me 500. I'll tap on it. So I've claimed 500. So I have another one. It's like I did another transfer again for today. So I'll click on this. I'll claim another 500. Okay, I added money. I add money. That is to claim 600. So I'll claim it. As you can see, my trial cash is increasing. So here, login. So if you log in daily, they will also give you trial cash. Okay, I'm claiming it. As you can see, it's up to 3,000 now. I add money, 300. Depends on the amount you added and the transaction you did. Okay, this one is another login, another transfer. So I've claimed all my trial cash. You cannot withdraw this 4,000 here. You can only withdraw the interest from it. So here is how to withdraw the interest from it. Just enter here, earn more. As you can see here, this is the total balance I have here in this cash box. So here is how to withdraw. Just tap withdraw here. I said max is 22. As you can see, that's my balance, how much I can withdraw. So let me add it. 22. Let me withdraw 22. Click enter. And then next. I'll withdraw it to my PalmPay balance. So let me click on next. And then I'll have to put my PIN. So let me put my PIN. Then trial cash has been withdrawn to my account. That is how to claim and withdraw trial cash from PalmPay. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.